Imagine your body is a high-performance sports car. Now imagine driving that car with the parking brake pulled up every single day. That is exactly what you are doing to your hips right now. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the average American adult sits for about 6.5 to 8 hours a day. That's a third of your life spent locking your hips into a tight, rigid box. The result? It's not just stiffness, it's a domino effect. Knee discomfort? Check. Lower back tension? Check. Trouble walking when you get older? You bet. But what if I told you that just 8 specific movements, done daily, could act like WD-40 for that rusty hinge? Today, we aren't just stretching, we are re-engineering your movement patterns based on the latest biomechanics. Stay with me, because move number 6, it's a game changer most people skip, and it might be the reason your back feels heavy. Let's unlock those hips. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Akash Dev, an Ayurvedic doctor from India, obsessed with exploring the truth about health. My goal? To help you live a pain-free, active life without needing a PhD to understand your own body. We've poured through the research, looking at studies from the Journal of Physical Therapy Science and Modern Biomechanics to curate a routine that hits all planes of motion. Flexion, extension, rotation. We're covering it all. Just a quick, friendly reminder before we dive in, while I am a doctor, I am not your doctor right now. This video is for educational purposes and is intended to support your wellness journey, not to replace professional medical advice or diagnosis. Always listen to your body and check with your healthcare provider before starting a new exercise routine. All right, grab a mat or just some clear floor space. Let's get moving. We are starting with the king of hip mobility, the 90-90. Most of us think hips just move forward and backward, but the hip is a ball and socket joint. It's designed to rotate. Here is how to do it. Sit on the floor, one leg bent at 90 degrees in front of you, the other bent at 90 degrees behind you. Keep your chest tall. Now, without using your hands if possible, rotate your knees up and over to the other side, windshield wiper style. A study in the Journal of Human Kinetics highlights that hip rotation deficits are directly linked to lower back issues. By doing this, you are lubricating the joint capsule itself. Think of this like twisting the cap off a stuck jar. You can't just pull the cap up, you have to twist it to loosen it. This move twists the jar. Do 10 switches total. Keep it smooth. Next up is the couch stretch. If you sit at a desk, in an Uber, or on the subway, your hip flexors are likely short and angry. This move is the antidote. Kneel in front of a couch or wall. Put your back shin up against the couch, knee on the floor. Step the other foot forward into a lunge. Squeeze your glute on the back leg. This targets the rectus femoris and the psoas. When these are tight, they pull your pelvis forward, creating that sway back look, scientifically called anterior pelvic tilt. Feel that deep pull? That's your body thanking you. Hold for 45 seconds per side. Now let's hit the inner thighs, the adductors, with the butterfly flap. Sit tall, soles of your feet touching. Let your knees fall open. Don't force them down, just flutter them gently like butterfly wings, then hold. In Ayurvedic traditions and modern yoga, we say we store emotional stress in the hips. While that sounds mystical, biologically, when we are stressed, we instinctively clench our pelvic floor and adductors to protect our vital organs. Relaxing this area sends a signal to your nervous system that you are safe. Quick check-in. Do your knees touch the floor, or are they up by your ears? Let me know in the comments below. There's no wrong answer, just a starting point. Move number 4 is literally called the world's greatest stretch in the fitness community. It hits the hips, thoracic spine, and hamstrings all at once. Start in a high plank. Step your right foot outside your right hand. Drop your right elbow toward the floor. Then rotate that same arm up to the sky, looking at your thumb. This is dynamic mobility. It integrates the hip with the spine. According to the American Council on Exercise, integrated movements are superior for functional longevity compared to static holding alone. If the 90-90 was oiling the hinge, this is opening the door wide to let the fresh air in. We are halfway through. If you're already feeling a little looser, hit that like button. It tells YouTube that people want to move better. And if you want to keep your joints happy for the long haul, consider subscribing. We're building a movement here, literally. Okay, let's get into the deep stuff. In many parts of Asia and the Middle East, this next move isn't an exercise, it's a chair. It's called the deep squat. In the West, we lose the ability to do this because we stopped doing it around age 5. Feet shoulder-width apart, drop your hips down between your heels. Keep heels flat. If you can't, put a rolled-up towel under your heels. This takes your hips through full flexion and decompresses the lower back. Think of it as the save position for your human hardware. Here is the one I promised would help that heavy back feeling, the pigeon. From a plank, bring your right knee forward towards your right wrist. Extend the left leg back. Lower your hips. This targets the piriformis muscle. The sciatic nerve runs right under or sometimes through this muscle. When the piriformis gets tight from sitting, it can squeeze that nerve, causing a literal pain in the butt. If this hurts your knee, flip over on your back and do the figure 4 stretch instead. Same benefit, zero knee torque. Don't grit your teeth here. Breathe. Oxygen is the fuel your muscles need to let go. This next one looks funny, but it feels incredible. The frog stretch. On hands and knees, slide your knees as wide apart as possible. Turn your feet out. Push your hips back toward your heels. While we can't say this cures pain, we know that mobilizing the inner groin supports better pelvic alignment and helps relieve tension that contributes to groin strain. We stretched it, now we must strengthen it. Mobility isn't just flexibility, it's control. We finish with glute bridges. Lie on your back, knees bent. Drive through your heels to lift your hips to the sky. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Dr. Stuart McGill, a world-renowned spine expert, emphasizes glute amnesia. Your glutes forget how to work because you sit on them all day. This move wakes them up. Why end here? If you stretch a muscle but don't strengthen it, it just tightens up again. This locks in the range of motion we just created. So there you have it, your daily 8-step protocol. 90-90 for rotation, couch stretch for the hip flexors, butterfly for the inner thighs, world's greatest for total mobility, deep squat for range of motion, pigeon for the glutes, frog for the groin, and bridges to lock it all in. Think of this routine as daily dental hygiene for your joints. You brush your teeth to save them, move your hips to save them. I challenge you, try this routine every morning for just 7 days. Come back to this video and comment "done" on day 7. I want to see how much better you feel. Also, I am currently working on a deep dive into the 3 silent signs your heart needs attention. It connects surprisingly well with what we talked about today regarding circulation, and you do not want to miss it. Make sure you've hit that subscribe button and turned on the notification bell so you're the first to know when it drops. I'm Akash, helping you master your health. See you soon.